The new Corolla Cross. Fill it with friendship and family. The new Corolla Cross. Filled with life.
It is TV powered by World Sports Betting. It is Times of CO.ZAS. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Chippa United 1. It's a scoreline that kind of belies the game. It was an interesting game for a long time. In the game, it was 2-1 for a very long time. It was attack, of course, against defense. Chippa United trying to do their best to stifle and stop Mamelodi Sundowns. But towards the end, the quality showed your Sundowns. Very good goals as well. Multiple different scorers for Mamelodi Sundowns. The last time we were here, before the international break, Orlando Pirates scored 6 goals. Now, Mamelodi Sundowns trying to close even the goal difference gap by scoring 4 goals in one game. Well done to Coach Miguel Cardoso. Well done to Tsikin Sabeleng, who was the man of the match tonight, as was given by the TV broadcasters. And well done to the players as well, some of the goal scorers. Ikram Reynas, Brian Leon, Marcelo Allende, so many different scorers for Mamelodi Sundowns. Junior Kanye, my analyst, what do you think of the game, sir?
Yeah, ngikulewenjani mfethu.
Sure.
Ngibulise wena, ngibulise uJustice.
Just sir?
Ngibulise uBobuzini.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise uBenedict Vilakazi. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting Diski TV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Yeah. Well deserved to Sundowns, I think ukuyina. Nginama man of the match amaningi in today's game. It tells you how good is Sundowns, especially Sundowns today's game. Big game of question and answers. It was not the easy game for Sundowns. Very good coach, I think, Villa. Mele ngimshayela izandla, tactically spot on. The difference was the quality. I think other coaches mele bafundi into so. Villa, I think, approaching this game. He had a plan in today's game. I'm going to defend ngiyanga 4-4-2 or 4-5-1. I will say that way. Ngoba beyiba 4-4-2 or 4-5-1. Well done to, I think, Uvila. Spot on. It's unfortunate because quality, I think, was a difference. Certain players, I think, Sundowns. Everybody who Sundowns came to the party. Certain players, including Marcelo Allende, Jaden Adams, Kipidu, very good player. I will say it. Very
good performance. Sabeleng.
Ngiyala Utsiki.
Sorry.
Utsiki, I'm sure Babake la khona ngihlale nginaye, in fact Babake angitshela ngisontana baba lo mfana uyamsupport too much. I'm sure Babake is happy and I know how good he is a boy. Very dynamic player. I think with the scene spark in today's game, decision making, he hardly lose the ball, lose the ball. Utsiki ukwazi ukudlala off the ball ne balance enyawo in the vision. And you can play him any position, I think, up front. Well done to the boy. Chip is amazing, mfethu. I think coach udlala 4-4-2. I think point like is like ngizoyisa umdise ngizomdlalisa as a wing back ozo operator kule side lonke ama winger wamongena phakathi. Way 2 because of Sundowns, I think they had 5 bebangadlali ngama winger. I mean uSundowns uNchabeleng beka phakathi. Begunono Santos, Jaden Adams, Matthews beka phakathi, Marcelo Allende. 5 players. Amateka bengana winger. First half, I think kuhamba umdunyelwa on the left hand side kuhamba umdiba. Very difficult, I think, to defend that. Manga check how starting points Sundowns high line ngikhuluma ama wing back wabo batholakala yafinesa iChippa United. Ikutshela ukuthi Sundowns they mean business in today's game. Attacking minded, very dangerous. Too many forward passes. Yes, Sundowns has a security ball. Different Sundowns first round of the season. They hardly delay the ball. Movement of the ball, something else. Energy from defense. Ronwen Williams as well. Sense of agency. Kalango goalkeeper as a leader. Abu Kipidu, they hardly upega na the way build up angakola. Aba spend most of the time ball like first round of the season. Yo lento benz with ama opposition it kuba ngat predictable. And well done to Reynas. I think to have ama strikers njengala Reynas na this guy Ulino. It's very, very difficult with him to defend against Unai Striker, to stop it in Striker. So, because as a team, you can defend against them, but Unai Striker is sharp fit, very dangerous strikers. Always on the box, about lucky position, but understanding the strengths of each other. Yes, goal number 2. For me, it's offside. I need to be honest. It's offside. But manga check la bola. Goal number 1, the identity Sundowns pocket. I mean, le bolo alende besingazuthi yosha sonke besithi yathena yolifaka eboxini as a cross. Abambu goalkeeper I think a surprise. Ngelace go far post ball shot drop kick, it was a goal. Well done to alende quality mfethu. Lela bola lila mshayile goalkeeper. I think goalkeeper there was nothing beyangayenza. udlalile uKwayiba. It's unfortunate na I-contend the man of the match uyindaba ukuthi sesayidini wrong. You understand? Now lose at 3, it's going to be difficult ukuthi bakunike man of the match.
Just a quick one on him, because at Pirates it was a completely different Kwaiba. Already since January, it's 5 goals, Abuela back to cheaper. Of course, he's not turned out to be a wow player, but he plays with a free spirit with cheaper. What do you think is changing? Why couldn't he make it at Pirates?
I think number one, we are Pirates is highly motivated. We are a big team compete against the best he has learned. And also motivated. If he Pirates is on sign, it means I'm best player. I'm one of the good player in South Africa. And honestly speaking, obviously, Pirates obvious kuninte bayibona. Into is motivator. Nenye into. Bamdlalisa according to his strengths sakhe. You understand? Just that in today's game, bodlala against the quality side. Beyangana support that much. Beyangana support go slightly cheaper, especially Kwaiba. Was singling him. They single him out. William Chitu Matros ebekadlala in front of him. Now Matros bebam sacrifice because mangampega bekabuya zomaka treke azomaka. Ucoach ucele wonke umuntu first half ukuzodefenda abese afini yakhe. That's why ngithi ama-wing wakhe akadlalanga ngawo. Abekacela uKobisi noMudise kuba ama-wing back. Akanankinga ukuthi bahambe because ama-wing wakhe angene phakathi. Ngoba iSundowns unengcondo ukuthi badlala ngama-pocket. I-aim ukuthi ukuvala le base. Ulethe inamba eyafini yakhe but bamakha zonal. So many spaces. I think one pass beba destroy bonke.
Yeah.
And nenye into I think was tight too much ku Sundowns. And amount tight mabane amathusi ngale speed abanas mabadlala behind uphelele if utight naye ni Sundowns yakwazi ukuthi ize kube ngathi ifuna ibhola ku change direction and then they will destroy you kube nama 30-man run, very dangerous team, honestly, technically very good, they hardly lose the ball. Nenye into I think coach Sundowns igame namhlanje ize ngenye dimension, ayizange strategy sama pocket by white, they go inside, they go white, they go inside. Bebana ama dimension amaningi, and that's good for Caruso. I think mele simshayele izandla uCaruso because uba unpredictable. If uzodlala ngepocket, that's all. I think uVilla beyagadele yonke. Igame plan kaVilla mfethu ispanile. Yalazi ibhola lo uVilla. It's unfortunate ukuthi akana ama resources. Uyambona nama player la wadlala ngawo. He's trying by all means, especially mawungambheka, he was so arrogant with this build up at the back. And then Sundowns funa ukuyithrowa, sifuna le spaces behind, bekafuna ukudlala nge-counter attack igame yanamhlanje. It's unfortunate akana good passer. Udlala ngoQoncobe, udlala ngomsele in the midfield. Very difficult. Both of them, I don't think they can pass. They can defend, mhlambe babe tight, physical, but they can't pass. Not comfortable on the ball as well. Mela tholi ball play one. I think beyangayibambi Sundowns because Matros une speed, Kwaiba une speed. And nama run waka Kwaiba, mangaba una ball player. Urana wide because upasa I right back, which is Ukabis. You understand? Nomidisha on the left back. So we got run wide. But if we got central, la tholi umuntu okwazi ukuphasa, bamsupport him nalo mfana lo uMatros. Bebazoba dangerous. Good, I think iko labo le flick layer, well done to Matros assist. Good run from Boychu, complement one another, and good composure from this guy Kwaiba, and well done. So Sundowns, I think, honestly, Ugletulian also nokufaka umkwena ukufreshen up ile to Sundowns. Second half a bit ukuthi baqeshe ba drop game ayiqala because these guys will come in. Ucoach mangabheka ufaka uEvanga. Ufaka uNtsundama as well, figure rate wabana listing change front three, uletha new players. They try by all means those players. Marivar ukuthi they played against quality side. Kibidu Sundowns, I think they've got a big fish. They yalazi bhola out reading the situation, irrespective of body structure. Nengconde bhola yalazi bhola. Plays like Abu Thiago Silva, Abu Marquinhos, reading the game, something else. And Bebano Jaden Adams, Jaden, they've got a big fish. Sundowns, I was so critical first round of the season, but don't prove it wrong second round of the season. Because can play defensive midfield, you are collect Tagasabi. Even if you can't tell Gutageko. And also play playmaking. Attack space in the ball, hardly lose the ball. They pace, I'm a pocket, forward passes, something else. Well done to Jaden. There's no coach that to also be coach Jaden Adams on the bench. Even now, you go Prosmanga to Mkalisanga Pandle, Uzobuna and King and Cool. So, well done to Sundowns, also Leon. Goal number 3. The run. I think Matthews, the pass, the patches. Well done to Leon. Sanction a mindset. I think experience. Well done. Ne body language. Utunge an excellent 3 minutes. Unga show a funny face. That's professional. And good tight angle. Quality player. Very, very dangerous.
Just the last one before we let you go. Reynas and Uleon. Are you happy with how this is being managed? Because they have to compete. One is playing, or the other is going to play if the other one is not performing.
There's nothing that i-coaching ayenza. I mean, nawuqala ngoLeon uzokukorela, mawuqala ngoMatthews. I mean, if
Reyners.
uReyners, I mean to say, if uReyners akaqala nga-today akore, na last time ukorile, bengizoba critical to the coach ukuthi uqalisa umuntu ongakori. But now he's scoring. So now Leon makabuye ebhenchini uyakora. And nakaqala futhi uLeon naye yakora. So he's got two best strikers. I can't say who's the best between the two. So I think the way I'm managing ngakhona is good. It's just that kumele abanike a bit of his card bethu. Mara na kungenile naye professional. I think uLeon ubonisile ngaphandle kokukhuluma. He said coach mina can play. Now ungaqala ngama ngeke wenze mistake. So this is how you answer your coach. And well done to Reyners as well ukuthi bamqalise naye show up. So I think uphendule uko bros ukuthi mina I'm here. If you need me for World Cup, because there's no way, there's no coach around the world. Doubt his strikers too. He's a South African, not an international player. He's an international player, but local player. Yes, he can play anyway. He was proven in a World Cup. This guy can score any tide. So, hamba nalomchita ku-club World Cup. I think this guy angasnika something. Between uMakgopa nolo, not in a petway, akamshiye. Ngiyazi ukuthi uzohamba na this guy because udlala i-top league. Yena this guy Foster. But mshiye, and then one no Reyners, so she evident, not in a bad way, and then uzokorela Reyners.
All right, nice one. Thank you very much. That's Junior Kanye. Mamelodi Sundowns winning against Chippa United. It was a very fun game to watch, really. Chippa United were in the game for a very long time until they were not. Maybe in the last 10 minutes or last 15 minutes, they were no longer in the game. It was 2-1. That was their plan, really, to say, don't allow the game to get away from us for as long as possible. They knew that they were not going to beat Sundowns, but let's try to make it very difficult. If you wake up this morning and you are Chippa Mbenge, so you see your team lost 4-1, it looks like it was a disaster, but it was not a disaster. It was a very good plan. It was a very mature way of playing football to say, how can we stop a team that's better than us? And they came up with the plan to stop them. Unfortunately, second goal offside, but you responded immediately to make it 2-1. That means you're still in the game by the time you go to halftime, team talk. And then you put some of your attackers there. You try something. But in the end, your owner sees 4-1 and they say, we are close to the relegation battle. What are we going to do next? And then coaches get fired. But this was a very, very good game. Very, very engaging game. It is KTV, it is Times. What's spitting?
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Itiski TV.